In this video from Device Doctor, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix the door is open error on the HP LaserJet Pro 400 printer.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
When we turn on the printer, after a few moments, it shows the message, "Door is open." However, the printer door is completely closed, and there is no visible problem. This is a very common issue with the HP LaserJet Pro 400 series, and in this video, I will show you how to fix it easily. In the first step, turn off the printer and disconnect the power cable from the back. After that, remove the paper tray completely from the printer. This will give you clear access to the inside parts for the next steps. Now open the top cover of the printer carefully so that you can access the door sensor. Make sure to open it gently to avoid any damage to the parts inside. Most likely, the problem comes from the door sensor. In many cases, replacing the door sensor solves the issue completely. Here, we need to remove the old, faulty sensor and install a new sensor in its place. Carefully and gently remove the sensor from its position. Then, disconnect the two cables attached to it. Now take the new sensor and replace the old faulty sensor with it. It is very simple, but make sure to be careful and place it correctly. Now, carefully place the sensor in its position. Make sure the sensor is installed correctly, because any mistake can prevent the printer from working properly. Test the sensor by closing the printer door to make sure it is placed correctly. This will confirm that the sensor is working and properly positioned. Now put the side cover of the printer back in its place. Make sure it is properly aligned and securely closed. Thank you for watching this video from Device Doctor. Now you know how to fix the door open error on the HP LaserJet Pro 400 printer by replacing the door sensor. This simple step can save time, prevent frustration, and keep your printer working perfectly. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy and professional printer solutions. We will continue to bring you clear, step-by-step guides to help you solve common printer problems quickly and safely.